This is the 69th annual Fairfax County 4-H Fair and Carnival. It happens the first weekend of August every single year. 4-H is a youth leadership program. Like if you all like rabbits or photography, the boys and girls all serve together, and you can be from 9 to 18 and serve in the same club. It is a youth-led club with an adult advisor. So the older kids in the club are helping the younger kids learn whatever it is they're interested in and become the future leaders for that club. It's very traditional for 4-H clubs to have an annual fair. So the things they're working on all year long and they're learning about, taking pictures or learning about how to take care of a cow, at their annual fair they all compete. And they can win ribbons and they can participate in leading the fair. We have a fair board that is run by the 4-H members themselves. They get to do public speaking, they do a lot of education, not only what they have learned, but they help educate the visitors. So it's just a wonderful development club and a development activity for the kids. Years ago, this was of course an agricultural community. Fairfax County was one of the largest dairy producing counties in the state of Virginia well up into the 1940s. So when they put in Dulles Airport started buying land in the late 50s, some very enterprising people decided that we needed to save one of the farms in Fairfax County. A lot of the farms were bought up to create the airport. So it was actually our extension agent, our 4-H extension agent, came to the Park Authority, which was brand new back in the day, and they said, well, why don't we buy one farm and save it, and then we'll always have a piece of history to share with the citizens as the decades go by. So 4-H was integral in Frying Pan Farm Park even being developed in the first place.